All right, so as expected, it looks like we're playing off the 1 hour range here, the 1 hour bearish range, right? So price came up, swept our inducement, also respecting our fib and is selling. So then this becomes a change of character, exhaustion. Right? So what we're looking for is, like in the previous video, for price to sweep this, give us some form of pullback and then sell. But the thing is, what are we selling to? Are we bullish on the 4 hour or are we bearish on the 4 hour? Right? On the 4 hour, this is our point of inducement. So that means on the 4 hour, at least we're selling to this point here. Sorry, on the 4 hour, this is our point of inducement. This is our A plus. So we're looking to sell at least to 1.07646, right? So on the 1 hour, we can then look for sell opportunities and then find entries on the 5 minutes to sell to that area. If we happen to continue lower, then that is beautiful. So we're gonna stick with finding sell setups for now. We have, so reason why we didn't take the sell, or we failed to take the sell, was because the assumption was that we had this accumulation on the internal 1 hour, so we could possibly react from this zone and then continue buying. But on the 4 hour, which should actually have been our trade, I think I mentioned it in the first video. This is our change of hands, so this is the range we're working with. In some occasions, you find that price will continue to respect the internal structure instead of the external. That is why we consider that 1 hour. Hence why the need to wait for further confirmation before even entering any sales. Now we have enough confidence to assume that price is working with the 4 hour structure. So we're coming to take this low at least, right? So this will be our target. So hopefully we can get some sales from here onto this area, into this area. So let's look at what happened here. So we have our inducement, we have our change of card. This is our exhaustion. This is our exhaustion. So we're looking to this is high. All right. 79. Right. Again, this was our point of inducement. So having this, it was very obvious that we could sell from here. All right, so This was a miss, but it's only because we were considering the 1 hour internal structure as well. Right? We did consider the 4 hour external structure, but we prioritize the 1 hour internal structure, especially because of this zone that we had here. Right? All right. So this becomes our breakout structure, and then this becomes our new range. Right? This becomes our new range. So now with our new range, we have inducement here. We have an inducement here. What are we expecting? We're expecting that price will come and take the inducement and then sell. On the other hand, if we have price moving down here, then we will have this as our point of liquidity and then expect price to sell from here instead. Right? So we'll have this area, but our SL will have to be at the top because regardless, we can still see the liquidity for coming down. So let's see what happens. If price sweeps here, we'll look to sell from this area. If price doesn't sweep and continues to move upwards, we will sell from this one. Then again, we have our fix, the confluence. So on the fix, we have this area as our point of interest, 62. So that tells me that we'll probably wick come into this area and then sell. So this is what I'm looking at.